Through treasury, we are borrowing. Through treasury bill borrowing. Because they say, mind you, on to call capital market because of IMF conditionalities. Unti on to me call on jeep in loom ya. Unti si kana what system no. Ama system no my tight and kasa obi organ be anka kore.
Sentinel inflation, enti mo ka say inflation
Ghana cedis. Enko na aburu.
Wycliffe, man, who's a kukudu about top or maybe a obechia na.
Oh no, go be baba so be no issue. Eti my current, but me fi manus enya no kore se sika bi na 1 year mba o ma ton na 10 billion go. Ene na se ne gaga na ke ho to. O de 10 billion, o de 4 billion kora akutua IMF oka. Na ka 6 billion for industry.
That's the question. Asemo.
Entropo anu mudi. E dey.
Kukudu. Oh. Wycliffe, I can say Kukudu, are you busy, Accra? So let's continue our discussions. Yeah.
But current, the name share. I mean, the effect on the oil escalate. See, now the Biameka, Kufum, the Omoye lucky. Oil, I Hoover are dropping WTI, no.
Yeah, boys.
$56 per barrel. 56.
I feel I'm my bow.
Kuku, kasa. Mame, sa bawa rock no.
Says hey, omodia.
Yes, say do mu wi Ghana o dia.
Omoboa. Sabi dem fi crop for abetra no ene wo dia enkrofo. Omodia. Bawa ni mi ano omodia.
This is how yes, Ibrahim Mahama dia nkasa.
See, Unia, Power Rocks, no to talk a company. O check here. In fact, 20 something now. See, Katami Jamvi argues here register. No to talk. Emma aggregator. Yes, no to be microphone. And then you know a bad then or be main aggregator. What you mean is so much money.
Ghana.
Oh no, na. Kufado ye. What's ye? Achim mafia. Where the Gonja rebels? They want to take all our members.
Omudi wedding in a kwaje. Your friend says Sika abre Ghana. But wait here, just say,
it's a special purpose vehicle. Not
They have destroyed the health system. They have destroyed the railway system. They have destroyed our social systems and everything, including energy. Am I destroying? Digitization drive. Eba health ministry okwa yebo computer no wa straight udin aba yare wo ho edura dia ma medical records na e wo ho nti doctor ni nim say wo allergies bi to certain medicines nya dia e dey ma wo nti no wa fast track Ghana system na e ko yanim on the map kwasi afu ba ya ma be yefa san ko fa food aba enuluma diabetes kru dan na ho ko no kwa komia kru no e so fa ten Ghana cedi mra we nya o kru ko fi
Ghana cedi se Then Ghana city the form.
Uluma wo ye kan ya wo wanti na akoto aba NDC for no. Ukuru na beti wonan. Ona beti ye kana muka se Ghanafuɔ boa. Ye nim nkofo nkwase ye fo ye nim wom. Wom record wo ho. Ai cheso wom your opportunity bi aba Ghana konya no so wom be destroy your mind. 19 good years Accra to Kumasi na kan ka bonsa ho. Takura di to Accra kan ni bonsa ho. Wasted 19 years of the PNDC NDC era. The only thing on Bay idea or Ghana crew and say you're a businessman now. You are from the Akan enclave there. You need to be shot dead. Your companies must be shut down and destroyed. That is their track record in this country. They must say repeat what to me. They have destroyed Untumi. They have destroyed his companies beyond repair. And on my time Ghana on my time ska $100 million. They might Ibrahim Mahama so on control black voter. Nani brother so on just Springfield oil and some free Kevin watching some non control. Nen some fama bawa rock non control Ghana minerals near gold in Ghana and I come from my uncle Pimbo Mojaba Mata Frey. Ubi and chrome gold in you control gold or Ghana Krumwa. I come for a control gold if you have destroyed your lands and your water bodies. Ubi producing 1 million tons of gold of cocoa. So say less than 700,000 tons of cocoa and they produce. Reason being that farmers are no more getting potable and clean waters to cultivate. You have to buy pure water, bag of pure water to the bushes. And how many farmers got 10 Ghana cedi or ACD to buy a pack of pure water into the bushes? How many of them? And for the first time in our country, Amanfo has taken delight in EGS cocoa ti wakrom betwitwa atoagu no my video abeche Ghana for say cocoa ni empebio ade intra because we buy and obe mass from 450 Ghana cedis straight to 31 million and I'm promises them will cost 70 million mobile amanye and I share memu and ebufu no mutwitwa cocoa ni gu cocoa na the backbone of Ghana's economy no under your regime and watch no it is being destroyed the full glow of cameras nothing is happening. Ebenezer Pacho.
Ebenezer, me pacho, mi muti wana wabie. Dede nso wachi mpacho wa.
Now, delegate for me.
All right.
Abani Ekwakotono. I have a word for you, a simple word for you, delegate. Listen.
How do you say it? Yeah. Now, so me inbox I am ma any video be. Na me jidi se efa me ho ebeboa na dwe esi ano. Ansa na de chie mu no me nua be ma wabɔ mpanifo amane. Because me kwa adwuma na won sorry.
Yeah.
Video be circulate sisi ya me de bakwa akoto page no so.
Me pacho.
Obi so the prekese GH. Ye nyina yinim no prekese. O yura Kennedy camp. Asama wode ba no. Sabi me amigina ha ya my journalism for years no. Unti me da more audios be I call it on IGP. I call it on Mahama. Say I about me I nkrofo no. Omakoye meeting bi wo baby aye pepe polling station o se constituency bi pa 50. A mo meye tuturasem. Na obo audio ni edru baby o se ha de bibi nti majai. But we know say every authenticated information no ye bebo ni nyina si. Waye atwaso amanipa sha na ehye mesremo. We the journey na ye journey for the victory of the party no. Eye niema say na obi wo ho a wode beba abesei no. Mesrew said the make no me dey too so briefly am dey ko to page ni mu. My yenye ne said the 2024 ye no. Because utie voices now you be away the politics ache. And you say yes, but Nansen you know where these ones are coming from. Now the entire Brahma mania brain na me sorry o me patriotic force no. Me hu se kunumu ye den no mo na ne machi ma doctor. Ye wo abefuntintan kese yesu na brantie bi twi tuo. So onu ye beto aba wo ba abegyina ma Kennedy. Obeku nipa some of the story now look for that video.
Also desert then
yo na samre ya mene mo ka say we dear ono na so the prekese me na me follow ne pa oni omega mu nyina but at the point me said there's no fairness and I'm a but said they all fabricate become ho na they all canon say so no na yenim what Kennedy and the group can do because showdown no ni omodi buy ni emomo meye mehyen intimidate for we feed ekese so minua Richie Jemfi baby obi am say nsabe ka virus ma woso mpedfo no bebre diaspora campaign director ma woso nanso yenya yewo akwanya no sene ono abetena TikTok yisu na oyen esasa yen TikTok ya so no we should dare them omoni nyina nsi anya sadia we esasa yemu ye mpenfo na ni bre ni handing over to the police said ye beya ni information chronos wo won ye besia no mankodi bone e dia say menemo ka say ubo video na we ka kam ya te say ane ye platforms bia ye tso no money ene tso yen ye ha ye metwa ntronti ye kan sem na we say it and mention names when it is needed for the purpose of security and transparency mada and abraham sorry anu nti me srem anu anu ma ye di papa ba omi achi. You know very well the reason why we di papa nechi. But I any be a yasumdwe on my ni penya. One kasankasa we individual wasumdwe on my ni punto. A man no wa by mu me concede defeat within a time a being sida. Emma wa Kennedy akompre ko begina o say doctor na ma ye we ye wan ka wo magin ka moja be hwe gu kura utumi nti ene wo da no ho aba be ka kire yen say after some people are pointing guns and other things on social media, threatening, including Kennedy Nankasa, Sabana and Kwamani, the basic beings in Nino. And when who separate so, then some kind bonny or planning has been exposed. And tell you more than yes, some not be good so Mr. To come because when you bema many are bringing and see nim huruye mo jampani trimuda Kennedy kai mema mu show na de obeka nyina no aye ahoboahye suma se knowing very well currently say a campaign NDC for and its edge of collapsing everything said ya Kennedy beba no matimi ayede ato abanetia no amomatena so biomti ono so sika obenyantia ne MPP ntetene mpansam dia mesra mu nyina say we believe say anoni anu hia nipa moja enyede ehwie and this is the time you have to come publicly challenge them to produce the authenticated source no so one and evidence no so that we can equally go to the so-called IGP they claim they trust no na ye hu de abato on bekwa akosi we aye niam ni bi anuano ama ho abehia say o kandini o pray to trust them odru kumase kro bi kana asmo no tiri gino so abekwa akobu nipa kro no sesa nipa ne ade eproye a eye awudie kwan so amanyesemu to doctor so na bi no mienu yetena hode a ene na ye bo yisrem nanso nyaade a ye bede ye benya atenka bia woni paduanim. Mesre all patriotic defenders, lovers of NPP, supporters of Dr. Mahama Baumia, yes, Ejuma Yesinu, Ayana Enia Ketia. We are not in for war. Debi yempe basabasa. Nanso shaya humtie kodru bebia. Our words will pierce your heart more than say your soul. This is because we will not let you do or deceive people. Yamamun dane no krene ni emedane ntro emfanto yeso. Yenina yenim and someone akoso papa ya kan so bitter to the extent say so no crampo the western region kroto abawi okwa attack him. So what do you think is the reason? E hana mijina asrem se minua no mamoka me ho se bie mu binyi ho na etayen yo samre ya mene mo ka se minua busa yenua no mo akwantom nyina se wonya wadwin se wo ba fie na within short time ye hisem bintu so beto aba ye musa ticket buo. At the end of the day, what do I stand to gain? Or minus sumdwe, Ghana die beye amani pa bonphobia, or mo person MPP better pansam. The only party who me a Kenya for any more boom. Only party a buy yen kaise ukokromuti etisi anati say various interventions abo mining in our every NPP. Now say Kennedy, who claims say his vision in life has nothing to do with what presidency and as a ministerial position. Now, so all of a suddenly, if he's now interested in na onu menyan wenya dia de besi na fe the fabricator story omuntimi emma ye story ni nyina na omu e de koma Mahama yinim se Kennedy ye adwuma ma no na se MPP fo titru ye mabunu na ye ni da so ye doctor policy obey implementing dia mesremu se yemfa sabi ano entity nipa nemu mum yemfa ye kokromoti koto abanyi Kennedy ntonchime because mo kan se koka no aye bebre wo party nim esai party no na party ni tete nso a me bisa me no mienu ayeti hasamre ya sebi aye adwen se ye ma ebefra hohiahia mu na Kennedy akoton ye amenne ahohiahia samba so far as education and security among many other things are concerned. What must we do? Enti mesrem obi a wo platform yisu bia no mekwa akohwe mo am enuanum amabasu nyina no obi a me wo page bia ye cancel contact bia no I'll forward precursor video no spreading the amount so that we can equally do what the right and the needed banter, because this is a fabricated story that I know where it is coming from. And until I'm sorry and I do 12 nebo me ya me na ya me kase mesrem Yaya Juma, Yamobi in Tumfutrum. We need doctor to emerge as the winner. And from Sobian to Tarihun to be a pre-born so obey and sada Nibiano. Mama Yamubuna pray now and sana or Moshe and we are at a weird garium. Minia, Mr. Medase.
Miss Empis Radio, yeda se wa betia ye nanso yi.
hwie gu hɔ ma ye te nyankopɔn de onimdeɛ ɛna ɔyɛ ma ne ma ɛna nyankopɔn so nim na kuma mu pefe sɛ nyankopɔn nim nipa a wɔno no wasra no ngo wɔse mako a masra no ngo obiara ne hɔ no obetumi ayɛ dɛ adome na anaasɛ obiara ne hɔ no obetumi abrɛ nase because wotena wiase sɛ woyɛ nyankopɔn sɔfoɔ na woyɛ nyankopɔn diifoɔ na wogina obi akyi a obi a yɛ ka ne sɛ wodi wo yafunu akyi ɛna wode akɔhyɛ nkɔm de a ɛne na wonyɛ nyankopɔn sɔfoɔ wotumi ba bɛka kyerɛ yɛ Ghanafuɔ nyinaa wɔ ɔmanum ha sɛ yɛkyi wotum na party bi ba wantumi amoa wo sɛ ebetumi agye wo de a ɛne wo nso wobetumi adi party na amoa wo ne hwamɔ de a ɛne na wonyɛ nyankopɔn sɔfoɔ edurumle bi yɛfrɛ ne sɛ nyankopɔn asɔfoɔ na ɔmo baa na ɔmo hyɛ nkɔm no yɛkyi bi tum yɛkyi bi anwa mu yɛkyi bi ba ɔmo ankasa da amfa ntia obi a ɔmo gyina pintin sɛ nyankopɔn na ɔmo som no no ɔno na ɔmo di n'akyi na wɔna wo kɔ ahoyehia mu a wo se party bi a nye wo ntie ne yɛsa de a party no wobɛdome no wonyɛ nyankopɔn wo ɛna nyankopɔn nipa a wayi no nso na nya wo na wobɛyi na ma nyankopɔn nti yɛka kyerɛ papa no masɔfoɔ no sɛ 31st yɛda wɔm ase ɛne ɔmo nkɔm sɛ ɔmo bɛhyɛ na nyankopɔn no nso deɛ wonim nipa a wasra no wɔse mako a masra no deɛ minim no na nya wo na wobɛyi na ma yɛ nti yɛka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ nyankopɔn sɛ wonim nako a wasra no na edurumre bi yɛfɛ ne sɛ nipa bi tena ase na ɔyɛ din bɔ mpa yɛ kyerɛ Awurade sɛ Awurade me deɛ matena ase ama wonti deɛ wodi me bɛfa bia no na mepɛ na obi bɛtena wiase ɛbɛtena ase bɛdi akukuhwi ase ɛfa so ɛbu nipa ekunkum nipa na edurumle bi David ɛna timi yɛ dɛ ekum ne dia ɛne yɛ ka kyerɛ wɔn ɛsɛ nyankopɔn nipa a wayie no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia no bibie ne hɔ no bɛtumi asesa da ɛna bibia nso ntimi nsesa ɛna bibia nso ntimi nchange sɛ nyankopɔn nipa a wayi ne sɛ wɔno Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia etena Ghana hamfa ne nsa mo table so eni obi atam da Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ontena Ghana ha se no mo ento ma ho da Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia onyina Ghana ha ba bia fa na ba bia em obi nte se